Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Tonight I will be unboxing Hell or Hades Kerbecs. I prefer to call it Hell Kerbecs, but let's get right into it. Alright, let's try to open this without destroying the box. Shoot. Okay, there we go. It ripped a little bit, but it's alright. This is legit TAKARA TOMY from a nice seller. Here's the bay. There's the launcher. Oh, I'm so excited to be unboxing a brand new Hell Kerbecs. It's even got the Kerbecs emblem tattooed on the face, just like the legit TAKARA TOMY bays used to have. Alright, let's get this bad boy put together. Can't wait. Come on, let's get the bottom out. Alright, there we go. God, I still love this Beyblade. I like it a lot. There it is, the Hell Kerbecs. Let's give it a good old test spin, and I'll put the stickers on it later. Oh my god, that's freaking awesome. That's just freaking sweet. Love the stamina on this bad boy. Alright, let's test it out against the new Scythe Kronos, the same seller gave me. Oh my gosh, so freaking sweet. This is probably going to be a long battle, so bear with me. This will also be a future battle video. Both legit TAKARA TOMY bays. So who will sleep out? Will Aguma win? Or will Damien take the cake tonight? Oh my god. Kerbecs is so freaking cool. I forgot how powerful that bay was. They both seem to be losing a lot of stamina, but I think Kronos is down and out. Ooh, excuse me. Oh, Kronos won. Just a little bit. Alright, let's try it out against Gladiator behind you. Both have similar tracks. But I think it's obvious who the winner is going to be here. Hell Kerbecs. Alright, let's try it against another Low-level bay. Poison Serpent against Hell Kerbecs. Go shoot! No freaking way. That was a charm with the old series. The bays could actually beat each other. They were like a series apart. Poison Serpent really getting them hits in. Didn't think this Poison Serpent was that strong. That's because I've mainly been facing 4D bays with it. Damn. Oh. Hell, Kerbecs did fine. Let's try to get some of the stickers on before I end the video. Bear with me here. Kind of suck at putting stickers on. I ain't using the face stickers until the tatted sticker starts wearing off. Because those tatted stickers are sick. Also got a couple more unboxings coming tomorrow. Shout out to Killer Lion for giving me these bays, man. You rock, dude. If you see these videos, I hope you know that. My man hooked me up. Alright, that's as many stickers as I'll do for now. Like little flame stickers. Hope I did alright. Man, I am so tired. Alright, give it one more little test spin. Alright. If y'all enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to turn on notifications. And I'll see you all in the next one. Go shoot! Good old Phantom Serpent.